We are at Sherwood Regional Library where we'll be hosting a writer's salon for NaNoWriMo, the National Novel Writing Month. It is an annual event, has been an annual event for almost 25 years now, and it concludes at the end of November, starts November 1st, and the goal is to write a 50,000 word draft for a manuscript within the month of November. They don't have to just work on a novel if they're working on a screenplay, if they're working on a tone poem, or writing a video game. That is also well within the bounds of NaNoWriMo. The Writer's Salon here at Sherwood Regional Library meets once a week on Wednesdays on November 1st, 8th, and 15th from 12 to 1 p.m. And then we have a finishing up session on the 29th. Patrons, no matter if they're completely new to this and it's their first time, or if they're an experienced writer, can expect to gain a quiet, concentrated space to work on their book for an hour a day during the salons, and we will provide refreshments and writing prompts and encouragement, and as it goes on we will check in to see how everyone's progress is doing. There are a variety of NaNoWriMo events being hosted throughout Fairfax County public libraries that are going to be open to ages 8 and up. NaNoWriMo isn't about perfection, it's not about even finishing a project, it is about the art and the act of creativity.